Hi, what's up guys? It's your boy Shell Shock, and I've been riding for a while and I've been looking for a good saddle bag that will fit my Honda Rebel 1100 and still stylish. So today we are installing and reviewing this Viking Incognito 15-liter left solo bag. So the reason why I pick a left solo bag because I have a huge exhaust on my Honda Rebel 1100 on the right side, so I just need a bag on the left side. Are so generous to give this bag to us and make a review, so we're gonna install it later, but for now let's get into the details. Let's get into the business. All right, so the Viking Incognito bag is made of canvas and very nice genuine leather. It doesn't have a lock right here. It's also very stylish and very easy to snap to put on your motorcycle. It comes with a bracket that I will show you later while we're installing it, but that's what it looked like. That it will just actually just clip, and it's just so easy to remove when you need to carry it. As I've said, it's just like a belt buckle that you just snap right here. Very easy. These are also reflectorized, so they can see in the road, which is very good at nighttime riding. And this slots right here, you can put a lot of stuff here. You can tighten it up and loosen it up with the straps over here, and it's very, very durable. All right, so this is a waterproof layer, so it's like 100% waterproof that it will never get wet when it rains. And you can just like move the buckle right here, so you can see you can put a lot of things over here. You can put a laptop, and you can expand this. And I'm a hobbyist, so I can put my stuff for my RC cars, some tools, food, whatever you want. You can even put beer in there if you want. Also, this liner is totally removable. On hot, super dry, but as you can see, it's very spacious. Also, there's like an extra pocket right here, and it comes with a key right there. So just in case you leave your motorcycle in the city and you just need to lock it up, there's like a, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a lock right here, right there. There you go, so you can see in the camera. And then you can lock it up with this key if you want, and nobody can remove this bag. It comes with that for extra safety. So that's what it looked like, and I think it's very, very spacious for a lot of stuff. I can even put, it comes with a laptop sleeve too, right here in the liner. You can probably fit a notebook or a laptop there. I also play game, and I have my gamer laptop here. And it totally fits here. You can see. It fits right in the bag. See? And it's waterproof. Alright. So now that you can see what we can put in there, after I install it, I'm going to show you guys what else I can put over there. But for now, let's get into the installation. So hey guys, as I've said, we are going to install this Viking bag to my Honda Rebel 1100. And it's going to be on the left side. And I'm going to show you guys how it's done. First, you need some tools. You need this Allen key right here. It is 6mm. Perfectly go over here, and Viking provide us some Allen screws and some spacers. So let's do this. First, we need to take this out.
easy. Do this on the other one. And we're gonna put it, since we want it in the left side, because we have a high mount exhaust over here. Easy. So now that we took out the stock bolts, screws, we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna mount the bracket like this right here. Should look pretty. Let's see. So they have this bracket that goes to the bag, that latch to the bag. I will explain it later. But they have these 2 bolts, and they have the spacer, and it'll perfectly go here. Let's do this. First, I tie it up by hand like this. So first, I hand tie them by hand, right here and right there. You just have to make sure that the spacer is under the bracket, so it's like protruding more outside. You just have to remember that. I'm gonna hand tight both this, and then after that, I'm gonna tie it up. And it's all tied up. Should be a very easy install. Make sure you don't tie it too much, just enough to hold the bracket. So there you go, guys. We already installed the bracket for our 15-liter Incognito Viking bag, or saddle bag, and we're gonna show you how to latch it over here. It's just easy. You pull this tab right here, and there's 2 latch right there. Same with this 3 latch right here, and then we'll just slide it over here. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Slides in like this. Easy. It's pretty secure. That's what it looks like with my Honda 1100. It's pretty cool looking. It's pretty stylish with a leather. And let's go inside what we can put over there. I can put my laptop right here. It is 100% waterproof. There's like a laptop bag right there. I mean sleeve. We can just slide our laptop over there. That's my gaming laptop. When I have 2 cans of beer right there, probably more than that if you want. See, 1, 2. I can even put my wife's tumbler if she needs a coffee. I can even put my wallet in there. You know, I can even put my car keys in there. My car keys, and when I'm done riding, I can even put my gloves. Put my gloves over there. Everything that I have in me will fit in here, and you see how much space I still have. And you know, this is 100% waterproof, and also this liner is removable if you want to. And that's should it look like. So there you go. That's a quick installation and review of this Incognito 15-liter solo left bag, Viking bag. Thank you so much for Viking for sending this to us. Very generous, and as I expected, I love it. It's very stylish. There's a lot of stuff that I can put over here. I don't have to worry to bring a backpack no more, because that's a hassle when I'm riding. I might get the other one to put it on the other side, but for now I will enjoy this left side, and then maybe in the future if I change my exhaust I will have 2. But again, thank you Viking for trusting me. This is your boy Shell Shock. Always ride safe. Peace.